Hello students, today we will start the chapter circle. What is the definition of circle? Circle is defined as the locus of a point P which moves in a plane in such a way such that it is distance from fixed point in the same plane is always constant. So circle is defined as the locus of a point P which moves in a plane in such a way such that its distance from fixed point in the same plane is always a constant. Fixed point is known as center of circle, whereas fixed distance is known as radius of circle. So this is the fixed point, say this is point A, and this is the fixed point and moving point P. Fixed point, that is the center, say its coordinates is A comma B, and this is the fixed distance R. If we move P in such a way in the same plane such that it is distance from the point A is always constant, that is, if AP is equal to R, then the path traced by the point P is the circle, or in other words we can say the locus of P will be a circle. So here the condition is AP is equal to R. So if AP is equal to R, now AP is equal to R, which implies taking squaring both sides, AP square is equal to R square. As we know that AP is the distance between P and A, so using distance formula, AP square will be x minus A whole square plus y minus B whole square is equal to R square. So this is the standard equation of circle. So this is the equation of circle with center A comma B and radius R. For example, if we have an equation like this, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 9. So on comparing with this standard equation of circle, this is the equation of circle with center 1 comma 2 and radius 3. In particular, if center is 0, 0, if C here stands for center is 0, 0, so put here on this equation we get x square plus y square is equal to r square. So this is also the equation of circle with center at origin and radius r. For example, if we have an equation x square plus y square is equal to 4, this is the equation of circle with center at origin, and radius 2. So the standard equation of circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. On expanding, we get x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square plus b square minus 2by is equal to r square, or which is same as x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by plus a square plus b square minus r square is equal to 0. So if we put here, so put minus a is equal to g and minus b is equal to f, and a square plus b square minus r square is equal to c, we get the equation of the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this equation is known as general form of circle. This is known as general form of circle. So this is known as general form of circle. So this is the general equation of circle with center. As we know that a and b is the center of the circle, so minus g and minus f will be the center of this general form of the circle. And here r square is equal to a square plus b square minus c, which gives us r is equal to square root of a square plus b square minus c. So the radius of this general form of circle is r, which is equal to square root of, as we know that a is equal to minus g square plus minus f square minus c. So this is the radius for this general form of circle. If we have an equation of circle of this form, then the center will be minus g and minus f, and radius is square root of minus g square plus minus f square minus c. Let's take some examples related to the same topics. Example number first, find center and radius of circle with equation of circle is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 9. So on comparing this equation with standard equation of circle, that is on comparing it with x minus a whole square, y minus b whole square is equal to r square, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and r is equal to 3. So we can say center of circle is 2, 3, and radius of circle is 3. Let's take another example. Example number 2, find center and radius of circle with equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to say 5. So on comparing this equation with the particular case, that is on comparing this equation with x square plus y square is equal to r, we will get center, as we know that this is the particular case of circle, this is the equation of circle with center at origin and radius r. So here we get, this is the equation of circle with center at origin and radius is square root of 5. Because root 5 can be written as root 5 can be written as root 5 square. Let's take example number 3. Find equation of circle with center minus 1, 1 and radius 3. So draw a rough sketch of circle with center minus 1 and 1 and radius 3, this is P. So the equation of circle is, as we know that standard equation of circle is, we know that equation of circle is x minus a whole square y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So here this is a, this is b, and this is r. So putting these values on this standard equation, we get x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 3 square. On the other way, on expanding this, x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to 9, which gives us x square plus 2x plus y square minus 2y plus 1, 2 minus 7 is equal to 0. Or x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 will be the equation of the Rucaillard circle. Let's take example number 4. Find center and radius of circle with equation of circle is given, say S here stands for circle, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So we had to find the center and the radius of the circle. So we have a given equation of circle as x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. On comparing this equation of circle with general form of circle, as we know that general form of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If we compare these two equations, we get here the coefficient of x is 2 and here the coefficient of x is 2g. So 2g is equal to 2 gives us g is equal to 1, and 2f is equal to 2 gives us f is equal to 1, and c here is minus 1. As we know that center of circle is minus g minus f, therefore center of rotated circle is minus 1 comma 1. And also we know that radius of circle is r, which is equal to root our minus g square minus f square minus c. So here r is equal to root 1 square, that is 1, plus 1, and c is minus 1. So this is root 2 minus 1, that is 1. So radius is 1. Now take the diametric form of equation of circle. To find the equation of circle, joining A, x, y1, x1, y1 and B having coordinates x2, y2 as a diameter. That is, we will have given two endpoints of the diameter and we have to find the equation of circle. So draw the rough sketch of this. Say this is A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2. As we know that circle is the set of infinite points, let's take any arbitrary point here P having coordinates x comma y and join AP and PB. As we know that angle in semicircle is 90 degree, therefore this angle will be 90 degree. So we had to find the equation of circle. In class 11th, we know that if two lines are perpendicular, then their product of their slopes is minus 1. Here, m of AP into m of PB is equal to minus 1. Here m stands for the slope of AP. So slope of AP, as we know that slope of a line is difference of y coordinates divided by difference of x coordinates. So slope of AP is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, and slope of PB will be y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 is equal to minus 1. So after on expanding, we get y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to minus times x minus x1 into x minus x2, so which implies y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus x minus x1 into x minus x2 is equal to 0. So this is known as the diametric form of equation of circle. This is known as diametric form of circle. Now let's take some examples related to this form. Let's take the example related to the diametric form of equation of circle. So this will be the example number 5th. Find the equation of circle on the join A having coordinates say 3, 4 and B point having coordinate 1, 2 as a diameter. So as we have already proved that the diametric form of circle, so equation of circle in diametric form is x minus x1 and x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Here this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. We have x1 y1 x2 y2. So x1 is 1 3 and y1 is 4, x2 is 1 and y2 is 2. On putting these values in this equation, we have x minus 3 into x minus 1 plus y minus 4, y minus 2 is equal to 0. So by actual multiplication, this is x square minus x minus 4x plus 3 plus y square minus 4y minus 2y minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. So we get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0 will be the equation of circle.